Speaking of stocks that are projected to do really well, Wedbush actually upgraded Imax, and they call the cinema stock a COVID recovery story and sees a 20% rally fairly soon. And I think this is going to roll over even to AMC. I think we're going to see AMC, IMAX, all the movie theater companies do extremely well in the second half of 2021 into 2022, especially because two things. First of all, AMC, we saw the opening weekend with the Godzilla vs. Kong do extremely well. So that is a very positive sign. Second thing is that with AMC and with IMAX, both of them, according to major production companies, they're saying that they're going to continue rolling out movies in theaters first. And this is really important because a lot of people have been worried that production companies are going to start rolling out their movies on streaming first. But a lot of these companies like Warner Bros., they said all of their major titles are going to be released first in theaters, then on streaming. Some of the smaller ones, maybe both, but they said the major names, major box office releases are going to be first in movie theaters, which is essential for, let's say, IMAX, AMC, and it's really important because that's how they generate a lot of their revenue. So Wedbush analysts said that as the vaccine continues to roll out, large markets continue to reopen, and there's increased capacity limits at these theaters. They're expecting big things from all movie theater stocks. There's like pent-up demand for people to want to get out, go to movies, spend time with their friends, go on dates, and they think this is going to really drive revenue for IMAX, for AMC over the next couple of months, and it's really going to be, people are wanting to get all of this going out of their system, go out more probably than they did before, and it'll be exciting to see how these stocks do. But the good news is that ultimately with these stocks and these companies, movies are still going to be released in theaters first for at least the big names, which is going to be really essential moving forward, because if they were only going to be released in streaming, that would have really hurt these stocks.